angels. So first you want to gather your supplies. I picked up a nail filer. I picked up 4 different color nail polishes, actually 3 colors and 1 top coat. Make sure you have the top coat, guys. You want to get some 100% acetone. This is perfect for removing any mistakes you make. And I picked up this nail art starter kit, which has stencils, stickers, rhinestones, and all kinds of cute designs for your nails. And I also got these picks that you can use for when you make mistakes, and the nail clippers, and of course the nails. All of these things can be picked up at Walmart. I got some cotton balls. Go to your local drugstore, guys. CVS, Walgreens, whatever, they'll have it. And all you want to do starting off is to push back that cuticle if you got like itty bitty tiny nails like me, because your girl bite her nails like all the time. So if you don't have itty bitty nails and you just have that perfect nail bed, then you can just skip this step. You're lucky. Then I'm just going and I am taking that acetone and a cotton ball, and I'm just going to dab all my fingers, because you always want to make sure that your fingers is clean, and the acetone also helps dry out anything on your nails, just to make sure your nails is prepped real good. Then we're going to be taking that nail filer, and you want to file every nail, all 10 of your nails. File them down real good. Just make sure that nail bed, that cuticle, everything is flat. And file around your nail too as well. Just make sure your nail is situated for the press-ons, girl. So in this video today, I'm going to be getting you girls fleeky for Valentine's Day on a budget. We need to save those coins so we could get babe, boo, husband, everything he needs. After you file, you want to take that alcohol and wipe all your nails off again. You want your nails to be really dried out. See how my fingers look extra ashy? Disrespectful. Ashy. Like, that's how you want your fingers to look before you add on these press-on nails, girl. So right now what I'm doing is I'm sizing each of the nails, and you want to figure out which nail is for your thumb, which nail is for your pointer finger, and everything. And you just want to line all your nails up. This set is really nice, guys, because each one of these nails has numbers under them, so it makes it easier to match up each nail, because obviously whatever thumb nail that you choose for your left, you want to choose for your right as well. In most cases, unless you got 2 size thumbs, different sizes, I don't know what's going on. But you guys see how I'm lining up the nails just to make it easier for me to know which nail is going where on each hand. And then, ladies, we are finally going to be getting to the part where we glue these nails on. These nails are very affordable. I like my nails short and square normally. It doesn't really matter of the shape for me, but it definitely has to be short because your girl bite her nails, so I can't be having on these long ratchet Bougetto nails. So all I'm doing here, guys, is I'm taking that glue and I'm pressing it on my actual nail, and I'm taking the press on nail and I'm pressing that down. Hold it for like a good 30 seconds. And these nails are clear, so you'll be able to see inside the way the glue is laying and everything. So you can tell that your nails are pretty secure. So don't be out here snatching wigs, y'all. But we're just going to continue on applying these nails, and then we're going to be taking this nail clipper. This is like the best nail clipper ever. This is like that nail clipper that is used to cut dog toenails. Like, this nail clipper is serious. They also use this at the nailery as well, and it's very affordable at Walmart. But use nail clippers, scissors, whatever you like, and just cut all your nails down to the length that you like, and make sure you measure each nail on each hand just to make sure all of them are the same size. Now it's time to file and shape these nails, girl. So I like mine to be square, like I told you guys before. So I'm just going in and I'm filing them on the sides, making sure that they're really square, and following them around. Then you just want to take some alcohol and wipe them off really good before we start polishing. So I'm using this nail polish here, and I am painting my pinky finger. And if you make any mistake, it's okay. Just take the stick and use that little bit of cotton ball, wrap it around, and just clean off your nails real good. So you guys see, like, the Valentine's Day thing I'm doing right now. I'm just loving the different nail colors. I really love that. I very rarely like to get like one nail color. I just like a lot of artsy, fun, creative nails. So I'm taking this white now, and be careful with the white, guys, because the white is just very hard to get neat. It becomes very messy very fast. This sequence glitter, whatever this is the bomb. Like, it is so amazing, guys. It is perfect to give your nails that nice shimmer that you need for Valentine's Day. If you guys are enjoying this video at this point, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and make sure that you subscribe, share with all your friends so they could be extra fleeky for Valentine's Day. Girl, don't hate, get your life. Right now we're opening up this kit, and I'm taking these stickers and I'm sticking them on my nail. You want to make sure that your nails are completely dry first, ladies, before you start going in with the designs and stuff. A trick that I like to use is let your nails dry for like a good 2 minutes, and then go in your bathroom or your kitchen, turn on the water on cold, stop of the sink, and let some of that really freezing cold water come up. Sit your nails in that water for like 2 minutes, and I swear to God, they're gonna be dry to the bone. Try it. So right now I'm using like these triangles and circles, and I'm applying them on my nails using that stick. So the hardest part about it was really getting the freaking stickers off of that template thing. So now I'm going to be adding a rhinestone. So I took the top coat and put it on that wooden tip, and I put a little bit of the top coat on my nail where I wanted to situate it, and I used the wooden stick to put it right on there. See, that's why I put that top coat on the wooden stick first, so it makes it easier to pick up that rhinestone nail. Rhinestone design or whatever. And what you see me using now is actually a sealer. The kit came with a sealer just to seal the nails. And that's it, ladies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, angels.